10-piece mixing bowl set by Amazon Basics. Featuring 5 mixing bowls with matching lids. Lids create airtight seal to help keep food fresh. Non-slip base for stay-in-place convenience. Visually pleasing floral design brings a touch of elegance to any kitchen.
These Priority Chef mixing bowls are such high quality. Made with thick premium stainless steel, these bowls feel sturdy but still remain lightweight and easy to handle. The non-slip silicone bases will make sure your bowls stay put on the counter while you're mixing, and there's a measurement scale etched in so you can mix and measure all in the same bowl. They're also stackable, so it's easy to store them without taking up too much space. And the tight-fitting BPA-free lids will help keep your food fresher for longer. And the bowls are dishwasher safe. You just have to hand wash the lids. These bowls will last a lifetime.